Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into IIFL Mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in iifl.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website of IIFL Finance, simply go to the top right corner and click on My Account. Once you mouse over to My Account, click on Sign In button, and you will then end up in the sign in page for IIFL Finance. The IIFL Finance is formerly known as India's Infoline Finance Limited. It is a leading non-banking financial company in India. They offer services including mortgage loan. IIFL Mortgage provides housing finance solution to individuals and families for purchasing residential properties, constructing homes, renovating existing properties, and much more. Once you get to this login interface, you will now need to enter your credentials. But first of all, you can choose how you'd like to log in with. You can choose to log in with password, in which you will need to enter your email or your mobile number followed by your password. If you'd like to use OTP, you will then need to enter your mobile number or your email address, but this time you will need to type in the one-time password provided to you by your email or phone number instead of password. Select any one option and enter the credential correct. After you do that, go to the next field and type in your password. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions till the end. Finally, click Log In and you will then be able to log into your IIFL mortgage account easily. So that's how it is easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.